So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop the programs that run in the background, and the programs that start up before Windows actually start up, like to visit your user interface or before seeing your icons and desktop here. So guys, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos. Thank you guys, you're making me proud. Each day by day I'm going up, so thank you for watching my videos. So now let's just okay, so the computer is here, is open. You can see my desktop here. What you're going to do, I've used Windows 7, but it's applicable in all Windows. So what you do, you're going to click on Start menu like this. This bar will pop up, the startup bar. Then you will have to type in here like msconfig, like this. Okay, the word is msconfig. After typing that, you see one program here, one program up here, as you can see. Then what you do, you have to click up like this. Then this dialog will pop up. Okay, as you can see, in general, the startup selection is already set to normal startup. Okay, load all drives and services, diagnostic startup, load basic device startup, but we're not interested in this. So as you can see here, we have the boot and where the operating system is installed, services that your computer are running, services that are running your computer here. So then we're interested in the startup programs here. As you can see, these are the programs that start up before actually I meet my desktop. Okay, these are the programs that I actually meet up or start before I actually access the desktop, which in sense are slowing down the PC to start up in order to visit your desktop. Okay guys, so what you're going to do is, you see now these programs here listed here are the ones that start up before you actually visit your desktop. Okay, as you can see, Intel common user, mostly we're looking for the real programs, installed programs by the user, rather the utilities, the programs that you usually use or you installed it to use to help you in running your computer, doing your work and whatever, so on so on. So here, if you want to disable any of the program, we just check the box. Then this one, like this one, I don't want it to start. This one I don't want it to start, like here. Free download manager, I don't want it to open up. USB security, but for the security case you have to leave them, forget about them. Then Power ISO virtual manager, virtual drive manager, Microsoft 10, Find Adobe Word. Now, as you disable these programs, you're trying to speed up the start of your computer in order you visit your desktop in time, okay, like this. After clicking and unclicking dialog boxes, after clicking, unclicking these boxes here, checking boxes, and I don't want them to start all. Now for the case of these are installed Windows. As you can see, Realtek HD Audio Manager, that's for the sound, okay, yeah. So after all, you can even disable all like this, but of course for my case I won't disable all, okay. I want these ones to be active as the Windows startup. So, and you can enable all like here, like this, okay. Thank you. Then afterwards you will click apply, okay. After applying, of course you know what to do next. You will just have to press OK, close, and restart your computer to test. You will restart your computer to test. Therefore, after restarting your computer, you will realize that your computer is now starting up so quickly. Thank you.